Alright, get ready, because Google's about to make August a lot more interesting. If you thought last year's Pixel launch switcheroo was a one-time thing, think again. Google's reportedly sticking to its guns, and the Pixel 10 series is set to drop early. August 13th is shaping up to be the big day, just like last year when they dropped the Pixel 9 a month before Apple's iPhone show. But here's the fun part, Google's not just cranking out new phones, they're racing to wrap up Android 16, so it's ready to roll out with these new Pixels right out of the box. That means Google's been pulling some late nights and chugging extra coffee to get that stable build finalized sometime this month. Now let's get to the good stuff, the leaks. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. We've got fresh Pixel 10 Pro images straight out of China's Kulik platform. These pics reportedly come from an early DVT, design validation test, unit, and they've been making the rounds on Mystic Leaks over on Telegram. So what's new? Well, not a whole lot, honestly. If you're holding your breath for a radical redesign, you might want to exhale. Side by side with the Pixel 9 Pro, you need a magnifying glass to tell them apart from the back. That iconic horizontal camera bar is sticking around, housing the usual suspects: wide, ultra-wide, telephoto cameras, plus the LED flash and that weird but uniquely Pixel temperature sensor. Up front, it's the same story. The bezels look basically identical. It's like Google's mantra here is, if it ain't broke, why bother? That said, there's a small upgrade in the sound department. The Pixel 10 Pro might finally rock 2 bottom-firing speakers instead of just one. Hey, I'll take it. Gotta have that stereo boom for those late-night YouTube binges. Oh, and to back up these images, we've got some spicy screenshots from DevCheck Pro showing off the hardware details. DRM, kernel version, chip info, the whole shebang. But here's where it gets weird. Those screenshots claim the Pixel 10 Pro is packing a 5nm Tensor G5 chip. Wait, what? Industry chatter and leaks have been pretty consistent saying the G5 is a 3nm chip, so this might be some early prototype confusion. As always, treat these early leaks with a healthy dose of skepticism. Moving on to the wallet-busting part, pricing. Yeah, brace yourself. Rumor is there's a $100 price hike across the board for the Pixel 10 lineup. Not exactly what your bank account wanted to hear, but not too surprising given how smartphone prices have been creeping up for everyone. And for you color lovers out there, here's what's apparently coming. Pixel 10, Blue Iris, Lemonello, yes, really, and Obsidian. Pixel 10 Pro/Pro XL, Green, Sterling, Porcelain, and Obsidian. Let's be honest, Google's getting real creative with these color names. Lemonello? Are we making cocktails now? Oh, and if you're worried this might be a tiny launch, nope. Google's apparently planning a whole Pixel party. 4 models in total: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Foldables are still very much in the mix. But wait, there's more. Google's also expected to reveal the Pixel Watch 4 during the same event. According to leaker Mystery Lupin, seriously, these names get wilder every year. The in-store release date is pegged for August 20th. Android headlines even doubled down on that, confirming the retail timeline. So what do you think about all this Pixel 10 hype? Are you excited for a new phone this August, or are you feeling a bit of Pixel deja vu? And be real, are you actually into these color names, or do they sound like fancy gelato flavors? Let me know what you're most release hyped for down in the comments. I'm always up for a good phone nerd out session. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.